Yagmur, how are you today?
I'm good.
Good. I see you're all geared up here. What are you about to do?
Skydive.
Skydive? Oh my goodness, why are you doing that today?
I feel like life needs a little bit of risk, you know?
Aw, what a great attitude to have. I love that. Awesome. So we're gonna take you out of, oh, there it is, that plane over there. And we're gonna toss you out of the side and you're gonna be falling at about 120 miles an hour to the earth. How do you feel about that?
A little bit excited.
A little bit excited.
But it's okay.
A little nervous. Nerves are good, I guess. Keep you alive, right?
Exactly.
Awesome. So is there anything you want to say before you head up there?
I want to say that, let's see, I'll tell my parents about this after I jump, and I can't wait to bring my sister up here too.
Awesome. Well, we're gonna have a great time. Don't forget to smile and have a good time, okay?
Sounds good.
See you up there.
It was the coolest shit I've ever done.
Coolest shit you've ever done. Well, thank you so much for choosing Skydive Indianapolis. Give me a high five. I'm great. Glad you had a great time. Thanks, Sky. Woo.